want my nose to be so small that I could barely breathe. I'm having so much fun in Encore. I just want to like do a little bit of makeup today. We're just now applying some primer. It's a beautiful time and a beautiful place. I'm having the time of my life. I never get to do stuff like this, but it's all for the good. So now we're gonna let this primer absorb in the skin, that is do its thing. I'm using the Giorgio Armani foundation and I mixed it with the House Lab. I wear these two yesterday. I'm in this like powder room, so it's like really small. And that looks so good. It looks beautiful in this lighting. So we just had breakfast. I had a fruit bowl and I had some French toast. French toast was really good. I had my mimosa, feeling good. I did put on some lip plumper too. I'm using Charlotte, do some contour. Always gotta snatch my nose up. I need the most coverage because of my scar. It's all about the vibes here. Everybody is so nice here. I gave my boyfriend his gift. He really loved it. Like he's been there for me from day one. So we're looking now, adding a little bit of concealer. I like how these look. Like they look so well together. Remember how I started, how I was looking? Started with this LYS powder. Just set right up under the eye. Look at that now. Looks so good. I love that. I'm also going to put some One Size Ultra Pink powder. I love to set my under eye with this powder. It's so soft and 5 ml. Lately I've been using a sponge to set my face again, and I've been loving the way it's set in my face. So let's set the entire face with this sponge. Nothing slip and slide and moving while we're in the casino. I'm gonna go right in with some hula powder. I like to use this to set my forehead area, the reverse here, just to make this like nice and sharp. Yeah girl, this is how we look. I'm using this peachy blush from House Lab. It's supposed to be so amazing on deep skin. Caramel peach. It is so pretty on deep skin. So amazing. I have to put my blush like in a C. You could even take it to your eyelid too, because I'm not doing like no eyeshadow today in the brow. And I reapplied my lip plumper because I want my top lip to be nice and juicy. I use the Too Faced lip plumper. I'm hitting pan on Fenty. I love to contour my nose. I want my nose to be so small that I could barely breathe. This is how we're looking. Some Dior highlighter, not too much. Like I said, I'm going for like a natural look, a natural beat today. Put it right up on that brow bone. Clean off the lips. We're gonna do the lips now. I'm not doing nothing to the eyes. That way I know what I'm working with. So I'm using the small little Makeup Forever lip liner. I'm gonna wear a liquid lip because we're going out to dinner at this amazing like steakhouse spot, which I don't want to have to continuously touching up my lips. I'm gonna throw this lip combo in my purse. Lipstick Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk, but mine is broken and so little obsession is this lipstick. Just like to go back over the line again. Black liner, the tight line. You see how better that looks? From this to this. Kylie, this is Ginger. This is like one of my favorite liquid lip. I'm gonna put it right in the center on top of that lipstick because I find that this lasts. I don't want this to makeup to like move throughout the day. I am going to finish the rest of the face. I gotta get dressed, gotta do the brow, and I'm just doing like mascara. This is the makeup look, and I got my dress on. So this is what I'm wearing to the casino, this gorgeous long dress. I got this dress from TikTok shop, and I get so much compliments. It is so long. You got a slit on the side here. It's very snatching, so you could definitely draw the string and it would be like nice and snatch it up. I love it, and I'll see you later, guys.